Hey YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. Today we're headed to the Mercer Animal Auction, or Livestock Auction. I haven't done a video in a couple days. I thought I'd bring you along. We're gonna go there. We're really not going to buy anything. My hair's a mess. I look horrible. We're not in buyer trim right now. But it's a real cold day. Just getting out of the homestead for a little bit. Is 31 degrees. Woke up this morning at 20 something. Finally freezing. Finally got some mud frozen because it's been like mud season. But we'll go there. I know they have an Angus bull. I know they have some Charlemagne cows there. Well, they might be cows, they might be steers, they might be bulls. I'm not sure. They probably won't let me film inside there, but I will film where it is, and I'll have a recap when I get out, if I actually do buy anything, which I came with $2 in my pocket. Keeps me from buying. So I'll take you along best I can, and we'll go from there. All right, see you later. I can't do it. All right, pulling in. Can't miss it with the big cow. Yeah, I'm going from my car. Hey folks, I'm back. Not much there today. About 7 calves and 4 full size. 4. There was an Angus bull, not papered, which was sold for more if it was, for some reason. And then there was a Charlemagne heifer. So she hasn't been with the bull, so she hasn't been bred yet. And she was really nice. She was like 1,300 pounds. And yeah, if I had the space and the time, she would be worthwhile, but she was scared as can be. So she was a little wild. And they had a couple dairy heifers in there. Well, actually dairy cows. Looked like they were being called out. They still had a decent sized sack, but it looked like they were drying out. So they were probably done breeding. Probably at their age where they weren't producing enough milk anymore. So they were calling them out. Those go for, not much at all. You think Holstein goes for a lot of money. They don't. I think it went for like 65 cents a pound, which is nothing. Which, when you go to an auction, it's $65 per 100 CWT. So it's a little bit different, how they talk, but it's essentially 65 cents a pound. So that was that. I came home. White ash tree was down in the back forest. It's pretty quiet. The ground was somewhat frozen still, so I had to get back here. Gotta keep stacking the wood. We got a couple more down trees back here that are white ash, which that is, and that can pretty much go right into the furnace. And it's got a really nice root ball. Let me show you. So that's the root ball of the ash tree. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's real punky now. It's all rotting out, but that is spalted as can be. If I had a lagoon or any kind of big blade like a jet, that'd make one heck of a bowl. You can see it's spalted there too. I mean, it's a beautiful piece of wood for a bowl turn with some resin, but I just don't have the equipment for that. So that's it for today. I know I should film cutting down stuff and cutting up stuff, because that seems to be what everyone likes to see on the internet, on the YouTubes. But I never bring a stand in. Honestly, I just never think about it. But that's it for today. I'll see you around. Not sure what's going to happen. Everyone's looking good on the farm. We got a load of hay coming in either tonight or tomorrow night. So we got that. And I'll talk about that in another video. But till then, I'll see you around. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends, pound the like button, as they say. All that. I'll see you around. All right, thanks.